Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Halim. Firstly, I want to represent my group teammate Alif Alimi, Dini Hakimi, and my wife Wafi. I want to present about gear train. Introduction. Gear is a two cylindrical or roller-shaped element of a machine that meshes with another two cylindrical element to transmit power from one shaft to another. A gear train is a collection of gear wheels that transmit motion from one shaft to another. A gear train consists of two or more gears in series. It used to increase or decrease the speed or torque of the output shaft. The term gear ratio is used to calculate the speed and torque of output gear when torque is applied to the input gear. The epicyclic gear trains, which allow relative motion between gear axes, are the other types of gear trains. Next, justification. Rotary engine equal Wankel engine to get inverted by Fleet's Wankel. For mechanism, first rotor equal pressing for piston. Use rotating motion. Rotary gear have advantage and disadvantage. First advantage is compact size. Second, high power to weight ratio. 3. Simple design. 4. Easier to manufacture, maintain. And disadvantage. First, not full efficient. That's from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Now I will show you about the design for this rotary engine. There is a driven gear or fixed gear in this engine, and the rotary as a driver gear. As you can see, there is assemble of these two parts and their case or block in piston system. They will have 4 stroke in this rotary engine. That's all. Assalamualaikum. My name is Alif Alimi. Now I will explain about the work of rotary engine. As we can see in the slide, there is 4 stroke, same as a piston. For the first one, we can see that there is intake stroke that make that inside from the intake hole or fuel hole, you can see there is a blue graphic like there as a fuel, and after the intake we can see the compression at the right side near the spark plug, and then there is ignition and exhaust stroke. Such as piston work, the rotary is a driver for this rotary engine, and the fixed gear inside of the rotor as a driver that transmit a power from the rotor goes to other part of engine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dini Hakimi Zulkifli. I will explain about calculation gear train. In this gear train, we can calculate gear ratio, RPM, torque, power and gear efficiency. For gear ratio, we use formula driven divided by driver. So 20 divided by 30 and we get 0.97. For RPM, equal to RPM in divided by ratio. The value of RPM in is 14,000 RPM. So RPM out we get 20895.52 RPM or 2188.17 radian. For torque we use formula ratio multiply with torque in. Torque in is 294 Newton meter and torque out is 0.67 multiply with 294 Newton meter and we get the answer 196.98 Newton meter. For power up, torque multiply with RPM in radian per second. So the power produced by this gear train is 421.02 kilowatt. Next, gear efficiency. Gear efficiency formula is torque driven divided by torque driven multiply with total gear ratio. For total gear ratio in this gear train is 0.67. So the gear efficiency we get is 1. That's all from me. Thank you.
Discussion of our group will be an improvement we should do. The first thing is we have to develop a method to reliably retain these gears in their intended position, restricting them from ever walking away from the rotor. Then, gears are being reduced in quantity or size, which is partially true. When a rotary machine, such as an engine or electric motor, needs the output speed reduced or torque increased, gears are commonly used in accomplish the desired result. The rotary machine output torque is increased by multiplying the torque by the gear ratio and less some efficiency losses. Increase the driver gear teeth or decrease the driven gear teeth to produce more RPM out, but its torque value will decrease. Next, we will talk about the conclusion. In a nutshell, although a lot of the current automotive news is concentrated on electric and hybrid powertrains, internal combustion engines are still very much in use today. The Wankel rotary engine uses as a spin rotary configuration instead of cylinders and pistons, which are used in the majority of internal combustion engines. That's all, and thank you.